Welcome to English Easy Hub. Join us as we ignite the flames of your English learning journey together.
Please subscribe to watch and embark on your English learning journey. Don't miss out on the exciting content. In a cozy morning filled with warmth and anticipation, Simon and Lily begin their day with a blend of casual banter and thoughtful planning. As they exchange sleepy greetings and sip on freshly brewed coffee, they discuss their upcoming adventure. A hike with friends followed by an evening at a new art gallery. Amidst the hustle of morning routines and preparations, their shared excitement for the day ahead shines through, promising a day filled with laughter, exploration, and the joy of companionship. Scene 1. Waking up.
Good morning, Lily. Did you sleep well?
Morning, Simon. Not really, I kept tossing and turning. I think I had that dream again.
The one with the flying elephants?
Yeah, that one. It's like my brain never runs out of weird ideas.
Well, let's hope today's a bit more grounded. How about some coffee to kickstart the day?
Sounds perfect. Thanks, Simon. I'll freshen up a bit in the meantime.
Coffee's ready. Want some?
Absolutely. Just give me a minute to wake up properly.
Take your time. It's a slow morning anyway.
Ah, that hits the spot. Thanks, Simon.
No problem. Oh, we've got about an hour before we need to leave.
Sounds like just enough time to properly wake up.
So, any plans for today apart from hiking?
I was thinking maybe we could visit that new art gallery downtown in the evening.
Sounds like a plan. We can grab dinner afterward.
Great. I heard they have some really interesting exhibits.
Yeah, I saw some photos online. It looks impressive.
I can't wait. It'll be a nice way to wind down after a day of hiking.
Agreed. It's good to have something to look forward to.
Definitely. And hey, thanks for always being up for my spontaneous ideas.
Anytime, Lily. That's what partners are for, right?
Scene 2. Freshening up.
While you're in the shower, I'll brush my teeth.
Sounds like a plan.
Lily, did you remember we need to pick up Sarah and John at 10?
Yes, I set a reminder. Don't worry, I've got it covered.
Great, thanks.
I'm all done. Your turn.
You didn't use up all the hot water, did you?
No promises.
So, what's the plan for dinner after the gallery?
I was thinking we could try that new Italian place on Main Street.
Sounds good to me. I've been craving some good pasta.
Perfect. I'll make a reservation once we get back.
Thanks, Lily. You always think of everything.
It's the least I can do. After all, you're the one who makes the best pancakes.
Well, I do try my best.
Scene 3. Breakfast time.
Pancakes and bacon. I tried to make them extra crispy this time.
They look delicious. Thanks, Simon.
Dig in.
So, after breakfast, we'll pick up John and Sarah, right?
Yep, then we'll head to the hiking trail. I packed some sandwiches and snacks for the hike.
Perfect. I can't wait to get out there in nature.
Meto. It's going to be a great day.
By the way, did you remember to charge the camera?
Yes, I did. It's all set to capture our adventure.
Awesome. I'm sure we'll get some amazing shots.
Definitely. But first, let's finish these pancakes.
Agreed. I'm starving after all this talk.
Well, there's plenty here. Let's eat up before it gets cold.
Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share to keep the English learning journey alive.